see all the details they put into this. It is very much like a die-cast car. Hello, this is BJ from Hearn's Hobbies, and I'll be looking at a new Scalextric car today. Look at that. It's a Bluesmobile. So this is Jake and Elwood's car. It's quite spectacular. You can see it's got the big massive microphone on the top, and it's been strapped down with some rope. So let's look from the top camera. So this is quite a large case. So usually they're this sort of size, but they have the larger cases for the longer cars. Okay, these are really good because a lot of the collectors enjoy putting these in their collections, and they stack very well as well. And if you want to run them, just very easily open up like so, and then we can just undo them from the bottom. It's a little knurled screw here. There's a couple of spare guides there as well, which is handy. So we'll take this off and we'll have a closer look at all the details. Just going to unscrew this. Okay, let's put that aside. Here we go, one Bluesmobile. It's really nice. That's actual rope or thread. Here's the bottom of the chassis. Get your top. There's some really nice weathering on this. And you can see Jake and Elwood inside as well. Very nice likenesses. What I'll do is we're going to zoom in. Let's have a closer look at these. So you can see Jake on that side, he's driving. And you just see all this weathering, and you've got these dirt marks across here. Across the bonnet as well. Very well done on a mass-produced model. And there you've got the rope that's holding on the speaker there. Speaker absolutely massive. Then around to the back. Nice chrome work as well. And again, you've got this weathering marks. And then this side, so you can see the torn up marking there, the police marking. And there's Elwood. So all together really nice. Look at that. So apparently the speaker was modelled off an air raid siren that was at Dan Aykroyd's school in Canada. And he requested to have the same one put on the car for the movie. How good is it? There we go. I mean, there's not much more to say about a Scalextric car. It's all about looking at it, and you see all the details they put into this. It is very much like a die-cast car. Advantages, you got your slot system popped into a slot car track, and you'll be able to drive it around. Very funky indeed. So there we go. So there is my quick open box review of the Scalextric's Bluesmobile. Very nice. So if you liked that video, please give me a like down below, and think about subscribing to see more content. Thank you very much.